Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in my previous video, I did an unboxing on these cool glow-in-the-dark and UV changing color threads for your embroidery machine. So in today's video, we're going to finally use them in our machine. So I have my file, I have everything threaded and hooped, and we're ready to start. Okay, so this is how the glow-in-the-dark thread stitched out. Pretty nice. Now let's go on to the UV color changing thread. While the machine stitches that, I thought I would quickly go over these threads and something to keep in mind while you're working with them and designing your files. So basically, just keep in mind that the white threads, right, the white colored ones are going to always have better effects versus the colored threads. So as you can see with this one, I'm taking it out in the sun. Even though both the green and white are shifting into like a light orange, in the next clip I'm going to post right now, you're going to be able to see that the white is taking a little bit longer to shift back to its original color versus the green. So again, something to keep in mind when you're designing and using these threads. So yeah, here's the one. We're back inside, and as you can see, the green shifted back to green while the white is taking a little bit longer and it's still orange. So again, it's something to keep in mind when you're designing and wanting to use these cool threads. Now onto the glow in the dark. Okay, I'm gonna put a disclaimer right now. I messed up. I told the machine to use the wrong white thread, and so that's why you only have the bow glowing, because that was the actual thread. So in another video, I'll make another one using the glow in the dark thread, and I won't mess up next time. Okay, I promise you guys. It would have been cool though to have, right, the eyes and the little bow glowing, but again, I messed up. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned for another one where I promise I will not mess up. But everything turned out really cute. I'll have the file as well up on the shop soon. I'm editing the video right now as well, to post everything together. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.